Game being played in torrential wind and rain, making it very, very difficult for both defences in particular. As Crackley gets in the action straight away, feeding Jason Scotland, also back in action for the team today. Shooting chance, Swansea within seconds. It's the man of the moment, Johnny Gomez, who gets the goal. Gomez in that hole just behind Scotland. Ashley Williams is Painter outside him, goes straight forward though. Pulls his ball over, complicated. Edwards plays the ball forward, Keogh. Chance for the Republic of Ireland international to equalise. 1-1, Wolves back in it then. Just his second league goal of the season, Andy Keogh. 600,000 from Scunthorpe in January last year. Lovely ball by Dave Edwards, the Welsh international, for him. He had a lot to do though, didn't he? But Andy Keogh kept his head. Look at the Swansea defenders in there. There might just have been a question of a deflection as well. Painter strong in the challenge. Gower takes over. Scotland, not offsides. 2-1 Swansea. Jason Scotland restored to the team today then, and finishing in terrific fashion there. He's in Britain. Scotland, what a good turn. Swansea playing some scintillating stuff.